Hey guys, what is up, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys how to do is how to edit your videos in Inshot, the mobile editing application. Now, to actually edit videos in Inshot, it is a quite simple and quick process, and what you want to do is just click on the video icon as you can see on my screen, and once you click on it, you will have all these videos from your gallery. What you want to do next, of course, is to pick the video you want to edit. You can also create a new blank video. However, this is about actual video editing, so let me just pick this video right here of this random woman doing whatever it is she is doing, and then you click next and OK. Now we have this overview done, guys, and on the bottom, as you can see, you can pull the video, or rather go to any point in the video that you want, and you have all these options. Let me just, for example, add text. What you want to do next is click on text plus, and then you will add text, let's say tutorial text, and you click OK, and now you can drag it anywhere you want. Now you just drag it to see how long the text is going to be on the screen, and when you're done with that, just click on the tick icon on the right of your screen. Once you click on that, now the text will be on any possible place in the video. To test the video out, what you want to do is click on the play button below, and you will see the video preview, and as you can see, my tutorial text is sticking completely throughout the whole video as I've set up, and that's pretty much it. You have a lot of other options, whether to add stickers, add filters, cut the video, or just make editing in any way, add music, whatever you want. Now that is pretty much it. As I've said, it is a quite simple process. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.